As you saw in our previous video, you can search for quizzes or assessments to do with your students that have already been created in the Quizizz database. Once you start adding a lot of quizzes to your own collection of quizzes, it can get a little bit messy. So they have created an organizational tool that you can use to kind of keep track of all the quizzes that you add to your database as well as the quizzes that you create for yourself. So for example, if we search for a quiz, let's say on fractions, you're going to see again we have tons of results over here. We can hover on any of these to get a preview of what they're going to look like, and in the previous video we saw how to edit them. But if you look at a quiz and you're like, you know what, I want to hold on to this, I'm going to edit it later, or I like it the way it is, I just want to save it, there's a quick little shortcut next to any of the quizzes that you come upon when you do your search, and you can click the Save button. You can see right here it says you don't have any collections yet, and what they mean by collection is basically folders, kind of like you would organize your L drive or your OneDrive. You can organize things into folders and quizzes by topic or whatever your organizational system is. So if we put in here, this is going to be my science collection of quizzes, and I'm going to click Create. Now I have a folder with science called Science, and this fractions quiz that I just added, which really doesn't make any sense. I should have called it math, but you get the idea. If you want to create a new collection and you want to add additional folders just to get prepared, you can do that as well. While you're still in this little area, you can click Create. So we're done. Now, the next time you log into Quizizz and you want to be able to get to any of these quizzes that you have now saved and you have put into specific folders, once you log into Quizizz, you'll come over here to the left-hand side and you'll see a little folder that says Collections. When you click on Collections, you will see your folders, and you can put as many quizzes as you want in each one of these little folders over here. So if I go into the science one, I could remove this and I could put it into the folder that I need to, or I can just leave it here. So that's how you get to organize all of the assessments that you create and that you find in the database in Quizizz.